Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Alvin took the trip up from Maryland to get the audio upgrade on his bike. He went with an NVS Audio Stage 3 high power. Shelby referred him to us. We did Shelby's CVO back last year. So he liked the way the work looked on Shelby's bike. He liked the way it sounded, so he decided to take the trip up. This bike, we went with the Stage 3 high power. So it was Sound Digital evox 800.4, Sound Digital evox 1600.1, Dubiee bass knob, Euphoria xpert carbon coaxes in the fairing, Hertz 690 Neos in the lids, and Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. Typical setup we do a lot of, so of course HKI Mini DSP and T harness. It sounded really, really good. Since these, the bike had Top Shop bags on it, so since they're fiberglass, the bass sounds a lot better. The bass always sounds a lot better in fiberglass aftermarket bags, so that was an added plus. And this bike had really good mid bass because of the bags he already had on the bike. Check it out, came out really good.
If I had the chance to love you again. What you came for, don't you wish you came more? They say I'm crazy, the way you got me open, baby. Ooh. They say I'm bugging, the way I'm time sweating your loving. Ooh. They all sit and wonder why this feeling I cannot hide. It ain't a question of pride. Ooh. It's love, it's love, it's love. Ooh. It's love. They say I'm tripping, the way you got my whole life flipping. You ain't gotta say much, you can tell they love me, something new. And when we ain't talking, your thoughts keep telling you you're feeling me too. So why you keep it bottled up? Open, let me show you what I can do. I got nothing to prove. If the pressure too hard, then baby I can turn it loose. It's good times, tell me babe what you waiting on. Your eyes say they don't wanna be alone, I want you.
Hey, watch out, cause I'm coming for you. Well, baby girl, KK, tell me what you do. I'm from DC, you can't see me. Hey, Chucky B, let them know what I used to say. I would never.
Someone to count on in a world ever changing. Here I am, stop where you stand. What you need is a lover, a man to take over. Oh girl, don't look in the fire. Strange when you think of a chance.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Alvin took the trip up from Maryland to get the audio upgrade on his bike. Was it worth the trip?
Yes, sir.
Like the way it sounds?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for trusting us. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.